24 consonant phonemes used in English from ip to ear. 23rd consonant phoneme this. This phoneme is absent both in Tamil and Sanskrit. So here I have used the phonemic symbol of this phoneme. The symbol represents the phoneme O. The name of this phoneme is O. It is a voiced consonant phoneme. Consonant phonemes would appear only at over the initial position and the final positions. But this consonant phoneme O would appear only in the initial position. WON ONE homophones. O in one. WIS ish wish. WE we we. Two pronunciations. WOOD homophones. Wood. WOOZY. O is woozy. WHEN in one. WHERE. WHAT. In oat. WATER. In water. WHY homophones. UOIY. WHY homophones. WHITE. It white. WEIGHT. It white. White. WAIT this. WEGHT homophones. it white. WAR not war. WHCHI which only the letter W represent this phoneme.